Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. What you do to me. What's up everyone, I'm Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a throwback guitar tutorial to Hey There Delilah. I absolutely love this song and I learned how to play the acoustic version of it on my guitar, and there is a picking pattern involved. But if you are a super beginner, you can do a strumming pattern for this as well. It will work the same. So if you're interested in learning how to play the acoustic version of Hey There Delilah by the Plain White T's, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom in here and show you the chords. Alright, so for all the beginners out there, I'm just gonna let you know the string number since we are doing a picking pattern for this song. So this is string number 6, string number 5, string number 4, string number 3, string number 2, and string number 1. Alright, so you're gonna need to know 5 chords for this song, and they're very simple chords. So the first chord is C. The next chord is E minor. The next chord is A minor. The next chord is a modified F. And the last chord is a G. Alright, so for this version of the song, the way I play it, I have the capo on the 7th fret. That's just the key that helps me and sounds best with my voice, but you can put the capo on whichever fret that works best for you. So I'm just going to zoom in here now and show you the picking pattern. So starting off with C, I'm going to be picking the 5th string and the 2nd string alternatively. So 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string. And then I'm going to move to E minor, and then I'm going to pick the 6th string and the 2nd string. So 6th string, 2nd string, 6th string, 2nd string, 6th string, 2nd string. That's a tongue twister. So that's what I will be doing. And then for A minor, I will be picking the 5th string and the 2nd string. So 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string. And then for the modified F, I will be picking the 4th string and the 2nd string. So 4th string, 2nd string, 4th string, 2nd string, 4th string, 2nd string. And for G, I will be picking the 6th string and the 2nd string. So 6th string, 2nd string, 6th string, 2nd string, 6th string, 2nd string. Alright, so that's the picking pattern for all 5 chords. So I'm going to zoom in again here and show you the chord progression for the verse. So we will be starting off with C. So the 5th string and the 2nd string will be picking, and it's going to be an account of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to move to E minor after that. And then we're going to do the same thing. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and count. This time we're going to pick the 6th string and the 2nd string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to move back to C. And then we're going to pick the same thing in the same count. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and And then we're going to move back to E minor and do the same thing. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then after that, we're going to move to A minor. And we're going to do the same count. So picking the 5th string and the 2nd string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to move to F, and this is where the count changes a bit. So we're going to move to the modified F, pick the 4th string and the 2nd string. So it's going to be a count of 1 and 2 and then we're going to move to G. We're going to pick the 6th string and the 2nd string, and we're going to do the same count of 1 and 2 and then after G, we're going to move back to A minor. So, and then we're going to do a count of 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to move back to G and do a count of 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's how the verse goes. So if I put it all together with lyrics, this is how it's going to sound. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. So that's going to be the chord progression for all of the verses. Alright, so that's the chord progression for all of the verses. Now I'm going to zoom in here and show you the chord progression for the chorus. And it is super simple. It just goes back and forth between a C and an A minor. Alright guys, so for the chorus, it's quite simple. It's just 2 chords. So we're going to be alternating between a C and an A minor. And we're going to do the same counts of 4 for each chord. So we'll start off with C. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll move to A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll go back to C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll go back to A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's just alternating between the 2 chords. So if we put it together with the lyrics, this is what it will look like. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Alright, so now that we got the verse down and the chorus down, let's go into the bridge. So I'm going to zoom you guys in again here to show you the chord progression. Alright, so the bridge is a bit more tricky because there are more chord changes. So the part where he says 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they got planes and trains and cars, I'd walk to you if I had no other way. So that's the bridge part. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with F. 1,000 miles seems pretty far. And then we're going to move to G. But they got planes and trains and cars. Then we're going to move to C. I'll walk to you if I had no other. And then we're going to move to A minor. Way. And then we're going to repeat that when they say, our friends would all make fun of us, and we'd just laugh along because we know none of them had felt this way. And then it comes to a part where it says, Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same and you're to blame. So for that part, you start off with F. So, Delilah, I can promise you. Then you move to G. That by the time that we get through. And then we'll move to E minor. The world will never ever be and then we'll move to A minor, the same, and then we'll move to G, and you're to blame. guys, so now that you know the chord progression for the verse, the chorus, and the bridge, I'm going to put it all together, and while I'm playing it, I will put the chords at the top left of the screen to show you, and so you can play along and practice along as well. And feel free at any point to pause the video if you need to slow down a bit. I know I went through it a bit quickly today, but feel free to pause and really just learn the chords. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right here if you get lonely. Give this song another listen, close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise, I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more videos like this, then click that subscribe button. And also let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video, if I can improve these guitar tutorials, or if you have any suggestions of any other beginner guitar tutorials that you would like me to do to teach you. Please let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.